go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that if we die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die. That we would come to this. That we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me free this feeling. Oh, someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Oh, someone help me free this feeling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. A warm welcome if it's your first time. I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe, I hope you become part of the family. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's a Saturday afternoon, guys. I just came back from work and I'm literally just here to get the kids, then we go. We're actually going to my younger sister's place for a visit, and yeah, I just thought, let me start the vlog now, because if I don't, I will never start it. So yeah, come with us, guys. Hope you do enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll chat later.
I see that you're hurting, I see that you're down. I see how every dream returned, came back to call you out. Was ready to rumble, was ready to fight. Got lost in the thunder, without alibis. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. I'll be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Now the pages are turning under the clouds. Got used to the hiding, now you're feeding the doubt. Let me show you the silver lining, how to tame them and then to ride them. Cause you weren't meant to be caught counting days. That's not not your place. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky is falling, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Oh, 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 night and day. Oh, 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 night and day. I'll be with you. Until the sky is falling, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Oh, oh, oh,
Hi guys. Welcome to the end of the day. We just came back. It's very late, so I just came by to say it was a great day. We had fun. Great day with family. It's always fun. So yeah, I just came by to update you. Tomorrow, yeah, if I don't come catch up or say something here tomorrow, I'll definitely come by and say something on Monday or do something with you guys on Monday. But right now I'm busy with the laundry because tomorrow I won't have time. And yeah, so I hope you guys are still good. Hope you guys are still fabulous. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I would highly appreciate that. And yeah, we'll chat either tomorrow or Monday.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea. He gave me back my life. I owe him everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord.
Hi guys, morning, happy Sunday. It's a Sunday morning. We're off to church, and yeah, I'm gonna be at church again for the whole day. So I'm gonna try to come back and chat to you guys later on today, if not, like I said yesterday, on Monday. But I hope you guys are still good. Hope you guys are still fabulous. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Held me through the pain. He loved me at my worst. I thank him every day. I will put him first, 'cause he did that for me. He sacrificed himself so I could find my peace. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord forever and always. I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord always. Put joy to his name every single day, 'cause he never left our sight. He showed us the way. Rejoice,
Hi guys, I had to buy this because we have a water problem, so we're trying to preserve water as much as we can. So instead of using much water to cook, I opted to buy this for tonight. So yeah, so it's gonna be the chops, rice, and these veggies for supper.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way.
Like I promised, I said I was going to come back today and close off the vlog officially. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you've been watching till the end, thank you guys so much. Yeah, on Saturday, yeah, I couldn't vlog much because as soon as I pick up my phone, was recording, and you know, you have to respect people's preferences. Yeah, so I took snippets here and there, but obviously I couldn't vlog the whole time. But yeah, we had fun. It was a great weekend, and yeah, man, thank you so much for watching. Please, let's catch up on the next vlog. And thank you so much. On the previous vlog, the views are looking lovely, as compared to the other ones that I've posted 2, 3, 4 weeks ago. I was there go my 200, 300. So yeah, let's push. Yeah, nothing much. Let me close off the vlog. See you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching once again. See you on the next vlog.